We've talked in the past, and as you know, I have a building background, and I feel strongly that any inspector should have a fairly strong degree of building construction. They got to know what they're doing.
Why would that be important, actually?
If you don't know how a house is built, and we do have a lot of areas, so you know we have a lot of century homes, but if you don't know how a home is put together, it's kind of hard to inspect and know potentially some of the problems that may exist. And in a lot of times a customer, I'll ask them what year, do they know the year that the house was built? And just by telling the year, for example, 70s, I think everybody knows houses in the 70s possibly have aluminum wiring.
Yes.
And we could talk about 80s. Well, in the 80s, they were notorious for not putting bedroom lights, ceiling lights.
Okay.
The bathrooms, no fans and stuff like that. So by knowing the
year,
plastered houses,